Hey guys, well, the motor finally made it. I was all set up to pull it out of the truck and decided it wasn't going to rain for a couple days or like a week. So, but it is got a lot of dew and it's been pretty icy. But anyway, thought I'd show you what I'm up to. This is the adapter. It goes on the engine, and there's a U-joint, two U-joints, and then the spline that fit to the hydraulic pump. And it's not quite deep enough, but I had to open it up about a 1/16 and then make it deeper, probably, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch or so deeper, so it'd fit over these bolts. And then I made this ring that clears the washer and the part of the flywheel that's machined. And this has got 6 holes, but they're a lot smaller than what this used. So what I'm going to do is, there's the holes. What I'm going to do is drill the 4 holes out and retap them. That should work just beautiful. Yeah. Then I can put that U-joint back on, and yeah, that fits nice, really nice. But then the U-joint and the spline will be out here, and that'll connect right to the pump. Then all I got to do is figure out how to get the shield. There was an air like duct that covered the other engine, and it made the air get sucked in from up here, and it blew the air by the hydraulic oil cooler. So I just got to modify that a little bit, and yeah, so yeah, the thing fits nice. I don't know if you can look in there and see those holes, but they got to get made bigger, and I'll use the original, if they're long enough, the original bolts, where I can measure in there and see how deep it goes. See, right behind this flywheel there's an alternator, so I don't want to go too far, but I'll stick a wire in there and measure. Looks like they only used 4 bolts for whatever this was attached to before, but yeah, I'll just have to drill them out and tap them, I guess. But yeah, so glad this thing made it. Finally, it's awesome. I think it's gonna work good. I've already measured the height, and it's the same height as the Wisconsin engine, so shouldn't have to do any modifying on the belly pan or nothing. The only thing I will probably end up having to do is well, I'll have to drill new holes through the belly pan to mount the engine on, but that should be pretty easy. Yeah, so I got, I don't know, 4 or 5 more days of no rain. So I think I'll just leave it in the back of the truck. It's a lot nicer to be able to walk out here and just tinker with it up here than it is, you know, being down on the ground or something. So yeah, sweet. Yeah, I looked it over. Man, it looks good. Can't wait to fire it up. All right, take care.